Did you know that you can also fix that leaking tarpaulin pond on your farm yourself? It's very simple. All you need to do is to identify the leaking spot and apply your gum over it. Allow the place to dry and also apply the gum on the black rubber sheets. Then allow it to dry for some moment. After drying, then apply it. Press it, ensure that you press it well so that it will stick. We then move to the other area of the pond that is leaking and also do the same thing we did at the first place. And after that, we allow the pond to stay for 30 to 1 hour, after which we release fresh water into our pond to check the leakage of the pond. This is so that we are sure that the work we did in the pond is accurate. So if you have found value watching this video, why not hit on the subscription button and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to receive our video.